There are two people involved in this question. They are Anil and Sunil. All right. It is given that Anil and Sunil, they started a business with investments of rupees 20,000 each. So the amount invested by Anil, that is equal to rupees 20,000. The amount invested by Sunil, that is also equal to rupees 20,000. Okay. Now, the duration, when we are considering, we can see that Anil left after 8 months and Sunil stayed for a year. Now, we are considering a duration of altogether 1 year. In this 1 year span of time, Anil is there in the business only for 8 months because it is given Anil left after 8 months. Sunil stayed for a year. So this 20,000 rupees that is invested by Sunil in the business, that is there in the business for the entire 12 months. Okay. So we can see that when we are sharing the profit, when profit sharing it happens, it is proportional to the amount that is invested. It is proportional to the duration for which the money is getting invested in the business. So when we are taking the ratio here, the ratio in which the profit, it should be shared between Anil and Sunil, it will be in the ratio 20,000 into 8 is to 20,000 into 12. Okay. Now, since 20,000 it is commonly available for both Anil as well as Sunil, we may ignore that. So the ratio now it will be 8 is to 12. Here we can pull out the common factor 4. We have 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. So we can see that the profit, it should be shared between Anil and Sunil in the ratio 2 is to 3. The antecedent, it corresponds to Anil. The consequent, it corresponds to Sunil. You are asked to find what is the share of Anil if the annual profit, it is given to be rupees 2,000. So you have to divide this 2,000 in the ratio 2 is to 3. The part corresponding to that of Anil, it is 2. So by considering the ratio here, we can see that Anil should be getting 2/5 of 2,000. And what is 2/5 of 2,000? That is equal to rupees 800. So we can see that the share of Anil, it corresponds to rupees 800. Option D, that will be the final answer for this question.